Hello children, we continue the lecture on straight lines. So the coordinate system and the straight lines problems. So to start with the first one, the vertices of a triangle are given to you, then the length of the median through the point C. So when you are given the vertices here, A vertex, B vertex and C vertex, A is given to you 2, 2, B is minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, and C is 5, minus 8, 5, minus 8, C. So you are asked to find out the length of the median through the point C. Through the point C. This is the midpoint. This is the midpoint. AB midpoint is equals to minus 1, 2 minus 4 by 2 minus 1 and 3. I hope it is minus 4 only. So minus 4 means 2 minus 4 minus 2. So minus 2 minus 1. So the distance is nothing but the length. Is nothing but under root 36, 6 square 36 and 7 square 49. So I hope you'll be getting 85. So root 85. So let us calculate. The answer is equals to C. So therefore the answer for this problem is 85. Root 85. Second one. The points which are the vertices of which type of the triangle. When you are given the which type of the triangle, then I can see that 12 and the distances we can just measure it. See, the first AB, when you are calculating it, the difference is nothing but actually 2 and 14. 14 square is equals to 196 and 8 and 2 difference is 4. I hope you'll be getting it is equals to 200. And let me consider BC. BC is equals to here 36 plus 4 square. So therefore 6 and 8, 64 and plus 36 is equals to root 100. And AC is equals to under root of 6 square 36 and 64 and that is equals to root 100. Clearly we could see that AB square is equals to BC square plus AC square. But at the same time that BC and AC are also equal. And therefore I would say that they are the triangle is a right-angled isosceles triangle. Okay, so the answer for the problem is a right-angled isosceles triangle. Coming to the third one. So the points 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus root 3, root 3 angular points. Generally, you remember one thing. When you are asked to calculate the type of the triangle, when root 3 involves 90%, it should be an equilateral triangle. So anyhow, we'll check one condition that, so AB, the distance between these 2 points, I think 2 square, 4 plus 4, 2 root 2. And the distance between these 2 points is nothing but actually, so 1 minus 1 plus root 3 whole square plus minus 1 minus root 3. That is nothing but 1 plus root 3 taken whole square. So under root A square plus B square. I think you'll be getting it as a 2 root 2 only. So definitely 2 root 2 and this also 2 root 2, therefore equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle, yes. So it is just checking the distances, you'll be getting the required answer. The triangle is equilateral. Coming to the next one, the midpoint of the sides AB and AC are given to you. So midpoint of the sides AB and AC. AB midpoint is 3, 5 and AC midpoint is minus 3, minus 3. Then the length of the side BC. So when the midpoints of the sides are given to you, this length, BC length will be exactly double of this length. So the distance between them, twice of it will be the BC length. So 3, 5 minus 3, 3 plus 3, 6 square 36 and 5 and 3, 8 square 64. And therefore that is equals to 10 negative and 10 and 20 will be the answer because this length is equal to 10 and this will be 20. So the answer is equal to 20. Coming here, area of the quadrilateral whose vertices are given by. So area of the quadrilateral. So you know the formula, it is a half of, so 1, 1, 3, 4, 5, 2, 4 minus 7, and again 1 1. So better you go for the normal calculation. So simple and easily you can simplify and you'll be getting the required answer. It's not it doesn't take much time of that, and you'll be getting 4 minus 3 1 6 plus so 4 minus 3. So 6 minus 20 minus so 14, and the next one is minus it's 4 minus 7, yeah, minus 35 minus 8 minus 35, I think 43, yes, plus 4 plus 7 is 11. So when you simplify 43, yeah, so 43 14, so you'll be getting 57 minus 12. When you subtract, I think you'll be getting 45 by 2. So 45 upon 2. So the answer is equals to C. So the answer is equals to 45 by 2. Coming here, the next one. A given to you, B given to you, the point P divides in AB internally such that AP by, I hope it is a PB, sir. That's not AB. Of course, to get the answer, you have to get PB only. But the other way also you can do it. AP and AB is also there. So I explain about this one. AP is to PB. AP is to PB is equals to 2 is to 1. Clearly you could see that this is the P point divides in the ratio 2 is to 1. A point is 1 comma 2 and it's 5 comma minus 1. It is just a section formula. 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11 divided by 2 and minus 2 plus 2 0. So answer is equals to B option. So answer is the B option here. But the question is, what happens suppose if it is not PB, suppose option Y. So if it is AB itself and fill up the blanks are there, then automatically it takes time. So I tell you one technique of calculation here is like this one. If you are given AP by AB itself, so AB not PB, that is equals to 2, and you are given any 2 points, either AB given or PB given or PA given to you, you are asked to calculate the other point. Then in that case, why don't you apply the vector concept? So it is a P minus A, okay, divided by B minus A is equals to 2. So that P minus A is equals to 2B minus 2A. So that if you want to calculate P, therefore you'll be getting 2B minus A, you get it. So a relation between AB, P, you'll be getting it. So whichever 2 points are known to you, you substitute and calculate the third point. So by this calculation, if you calculate, you get a different answer, not matching of any of the options. So I took it as a P, and thereby you got the answer correctly, 11 by 3, comma 0. Coming to the next one. Okay. 10th one. When A given to you, B given to you, then the points are such that PA plus PB is equals to 2. But observe very carefully, the distance between A comma B is equals to 4 itself. So therefore, so A point and B point. Can you be able to find the P point? Suppose if it lies on this one, AP plus PB is supposed to be is equals to plus 4, but AP plus PB is less than 4 is given to you, it is 2, which may not be possible to find out. You may not be able to find the point P over there. And suppose if the point P doesn't lie on this line also, you'll be getting the more value, AP plus PB. So definitely AP plus PB will be more than the value. So which is not possible to find out such locus problem. So the locus of P doesn't exist in this case. So answer is none of this. Let me consider the next one. So answer is equal to D. Take up the next one. If 0, minus 1, 0, 3 are the two opposite vertices of a square, then the other two vertices are given to you. Okay. So these are the opposite vertices of a square given to you. So therefore 0, minus 1 and 0, 3. Okay, the other vertices you need to find out. So clearly we could see that the option wise you can just verify that being the x coordinates are same, therefore the y coordinates must be the same for this coordinates. That's only the difference, because this line is a perpendicular to this one. This line lies on the line x is equals to 0. Definitely this line supposed to be perpendicular to x is equal 0, so y is equals to constant compulsorily. Here there is no single y value, here there is no single y value, so answer is C. So the answer is equals to, so y coordinates are same, so answer is equals to C. Coming to the next one, the 12th one. So the coordinates of the circumcenter of the triangle with the vertices. If you observe the coordinates given to you carefully, 2, 3, 4, 3, y coordinate is same. So therefore, you are getting the 2 points which lie on the line y is equals to 3. And here also x coordinates are same here, and therefore the 2 points lie on the line x is equals to 4. That means definitely the 3 points would form an right angle triangle. And the right angle triangle is nothing but 4, 3, this point. And this is 2, 3, and this is 4, minus 1, 4, minus 1. So definitely once it is right angle triangle, the midpoint of these two will be the circumcenter of the triangle. So the midpoint is nothing but 6 by 2, 3, 3, something, 3 and 1. So answer is equals to C. So 3, 1 will be the answer for the problem. So check up based on the given data, we need to analyze this way. Let me consider the orthocenter of the triangle. Similar to the previous problem, if you closely observe that one, the y coordinate is same here and x coordinate is same here. It means the a comma b point lies on the line y is equals to 2. And a comma c lies on the line x is equals to 1. Both the lines are perpendicular to each other, and therefore definitely they form a right angle triangle. And the orthocenter of the triangle is nothing but the point where it is right angle is existing, which is 1, 2. So this is the orthocenter of the triangle. So the answer is 1, 2. So clearly D is the answer. Coming to the next one. The extremities of the diagonals of a parallelogram are given to you, then the third vertex of the point. So let me consider a parallelogram whose vertices, opposite vertices, 3, minus 4 and minus 6, 4 are given to you, and one more vertex is minus 2, 1. To find the third vertex, use the midpoint formula. The midpoint of these two is nothing but the midpoint of these two. So therefore, it is nothing but a plus c. A plus c is equals to a plus c by 2 must be equals to b plus d by 2. So I want now the coordinates of d. So therefore, just calculate d is nothing but a plus c minus b. A plus c minus b means I think minus 3. So minus 3. So a plus b. So it is minus 3 minus of minus plus 2. So it is minus 1. So minus 1 option is only this option. So therefore answer is equals to D. So answer is D. Enough if you can identify one of the option, and then I can proceed for the problem. 15th one. Let's see, the area of the triangle is equals to 9 and B is given to you, C is given to you, then the length of the altitude through the point A. So let me take up here. So B point is equals to, of course, so 5, 2, C is equals to 3, 4, and the altitude through that one is equals to. So the area of the triangle is 9 given to you. You are asked to calculate H. So basic formula you just apply it. So the basic formula is nothing but half into base into height. Half into the base. The length, the base length is nothing but the distance between the 2 points. 5 minus 2. 5 minus 3, 2 square 4, and 2 plus 2 minus 4, 2 square 4. And therefore, it is under root. So therefore, that it must be is equals to half into base into height. And that is equals to area, that is equals to 9. So this is 2 root 2, 1, 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, root 2 h is equals to 9. Therefore, h is equals to 9 by root 2. 9 by root 2, of course, yeah, first option would satisfy the condition here by multiplying root 2 dividing by root 2. So exactly satisfying the condition here. So the answer is option A. Coming to the next one. The locus of the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are given to you, where T is the parameter. Clearly, this is A, this is B, and this is C. The centroid is nothing but actually G is equals to A plus B plus C by 3. So therefore, a plus b plus c is equals to, okay, 3g. So let me simplify that one. It is nothing but a cos t plus b sin t. A cos t plus b sin t. A cos t plus b sin t plus 1. Okay, a cos t plus b sin t plus 1. The coordinates. So first coordinate and second coordinate is nothing but a sin t minus b cos t. A sin t minus b cos t plus 0, and that is equals to 3 times of the centroid. You are asked to find the locus of the centroid. That means you take it as x comma y. So it is 3x, x comma y. Equating the first coordinate to 3x and 1, take it right side. You can write down a cos t plus b sin t. So a cos t, so plus b sin t is equals to 3x minus 1. So 3x minus 1. And similarly, a sin t minus b cos t. A sin t, so minus b cos t is equals to 3y. So why don't you just see that one sin and cos are interchanged in the coefficient. So definitely their squaring and adding would get cancelled over here. So when you're squaring and adding it, a square multiplied by cos square plus sin square 1, and 2ab gets cancelled 0, and plus minus 2ab plus 2ab gets cancelled. You will be getting now the next one is a b square into 1 is equals to 3x minus 1 whole square plus y square. So the answer is 3x minus 1 whole square plus y square is equals to, so 3x minus 1 whole square is equals to a square plus b square. So C option answer. 3x minus 1 whole square plus 3y square is equals to a square plus b square. Coming to the next one, in center of the triangle whose vertices are given to you. I hope it's very simple. So because origin is one of the vertex 0, 0, 2, 0 is a point on x-axis, and 1, root 3. So this is 1, root 3. So being the coordinates when x-axis, y-axis, when you take up here, the slope is equals to root 3. That means this angle is equal to 60. Once this is 60, and definitely it is equilateral triangle. This also 60, you'll be getting it because the slope is equal to root 3 by 1. It's also you'll be getting 60. Definitely it is a equilateral triangle. Therefore, the incenter coincides with the centroid. What is the centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. 3 by 3 is 1. So 1, and root 3 by 3 is 1 by root 3. So answer is equal to D. So therefore, it is the incenter of the triangle is the same as the centroid of the triangle. So answer is equal to 1, 1 by 1 by root 3. Coming to the next 18th one. The locus of the point A cos cube theta b sin cube theta. I hope option wise is only A is there. So I think it is a only. Okay. So the locus is given by assuming this is x and this is y and eliminating the cos. So let me equate it to x comma y and dividing by a, you will be getting cos cube theta is equals to x by a, so that cos square theta is equals to x power 3 by, I think you'll be getting 2 by 3 by a power 2 by 3. Similarly, from the other one, sin square theta will be is equals to y to the power of 2 by 3 by a power 2 by 3. As a sin square plus cos square is 1, x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 is equals to a power 2 by 3. X power 2 by 3 plus a power 2 by y power 2 by 3 is equals to a power 2 by 3. So answer is equals to B option. So answer is B. Coming to next one, a line segment AB is of length A, moves with its ends on the coordinate axis. So then the locus of the point P, which divides the line in the ratio. So a rod of length A, this is actually the rod AB of length A, which is moving on the coordinate axis with its ends. And the point P is dividing this one in the ratio 1:2. Let me take this one. We have to find the locus of P. And the length of AB is equal to 1. A is given to you. Let me take up this as a h comma 0 and this is a 0 comma k. So that because the ratio is given to you, the point P is given by, it is 2h plus 0 by 3 comma k divided by 3. So you got the p coordinates. I would like to find the locus of p, so I take it as x comma y, so that h is equals to 3x by 2 and y is equals to 3y. But AB distance is equals to a, therefore root of h square plus y k square is equals to root of h square plus k square is equals to a. And therefore h square plus k square, 9x square by 4 plus 9y square, okay, is equals to a square. Therefore, so from here I'll be getting x square plus y square 9 times 4y square, and that is equals to 4. You get it. So 9 times x square plus 4y square is equals to 4. So 4a square, sorry, I think you'll be getting 4a square because a square is there, 4a square. So the answer is equals to, so we'll be getting C, 9 times of x square plus 4y square is equals to 4a square. So coming to the next one, the line x plus y is equals to 4 divides the line segment in the ratio, line joining the 2 points. This is point x1, y1, and this point is x2, y2, 5, comma 7. A line divides the line joining the 2 points, L, the line L, in the ratio minus L11 by L22. So, and L11 means the first point substitution, that's minus of, in the L, the straight line, you substitute minus 1 comma 1. So, minus 1 plus 1 minus 4. And divided by second point, 5 comma 7 is substitute 5 plus 7 minus 4. And that is equals to minus of 1 gets cancelled, minus 4 divided by 5 plus 7 is a 12 minus 4, 8. So the answer is equals to 1 by 2. So 1 is to 2 is answered. So minus L11 by L22. So is answered. So you'll be getting the answer as 1 is to 2. Clear? Right. Hope you understood. Let me proceed to the next question. A line passes through 2 comma 2 and is perpendicular to the line, having a y-intercept. A perpendicular line to this one, you can rewrite by interchanging the coefficients here. So y coefficient is 1, so 1 multiplied by x minus y multiplied by 3y is equals to constant. Since it is passing through 2 comma 3, so why don't you substitute and isn't subtracting it? So 2 minus 2, 3. So I think 3 multiplied by 2 is equals to k. You just subtract them, you'll be getting x minus 2. Okay, minus 3 multiplied by y minus 2 is equals to 0. So clearly x minus 3y plus 6 and therefore is equals to plus 4 is equals to 0. And therefore y is equals to 1 by 3. Clearly you can see that 3y is equals to x plus 4, and dividing by 3 you get it y-intercept is equals to 4 by 3. So y-intercept in the line is given by 4 by 3. So answer is D. Coming to the next one. So a straight line which moves so that sum of the reciprocals of its intercepts on 2 perpendicular lines is a constant k. So I consider the straight line x by a plus y by b is equals to 1, which makes intercepts a comma b on the coordinate axis. The intercepts are a comma b. He said sum of reciprocals of intercepts, that is 1 by a plus 1 by b is equals to a constant k. Now I do it like this. Dividing by k, I can say that it is a 1 by k. So 1 by k divided by a plus 1 by k divided by b is equals to 1. Now this is an equation, why don't you subtract? Thereby subtracting 1 minus 2 gives us x minus 1 by k divided by a plus y minus 1 by k divided by b is equals to 0. Clearly you can see that irrespective of a comma b values, this is a straight line which is passing through 1 by k comma 1 by k. So therefore it is a fixed point. So therefore that irrespective of whatever be the a comma b values. So the line always passes through the point 1 by k comma 1 by k. So the answer is D. Coming here, the next one is about a foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 0 comma 5 onto the line. So foot of the perpendicular drawn from this one. I think you can just verify that one, the point which satisfies the given equation. 1 comma 3 I think doesn't satisfy. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 I think it is 6 minus 12. No, it doesn't satisfy. 3 comma 2 9 and 8 and that doesn't satisfy. 3 comma 1 yes 9 yes satisfied. So 3 comma 1. Let me check once again that the slope of line joining these 2 points will all be perpendicular to this one. The slope will be I think at 4 divided by minus 3. The slope of this line is equals to 3 by 4. So product of slopes equals to minus 1. So answer is equals to 3 comma 1. Directly it satisfies the condition. So the answer is equals to D. Verification can be done. The angle between the two pairs of lines. Yes, y is equals to mx. So therefore tan theta. So tan theta here, tan alpha is equals to 2 minus root 3. Here tan alpha slope is equals to 2 plus root 3. And definitely this angle is equals to how much? So root 3, 15 degrees. This is 15 degrees. This is 75 degrees. So therefore, the angle between them is nothing but the difference of these angles. So 75 plus 15 is nothing but 60 degrees. So the answer is equals to 60 degrees. Right? Coming to the next one is about the 4 comma 3 is a vertex of a square. And this is the equation of the diagonal, then the other diagonal. So in case of, because it is a square, definitely if one diagonal is 3x plus 2y minus 7, definitely it's the other diagonal will be perpendicular to this one and passing through 4 comma 3. So therefore, why can't you take up this perpendicular line? So perpendicular means 2 multiplied by x minus of 4, right? And minus 3 multiplied by y minus 3. Y minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 3y minus 8. 2x minus 3y is only one option. Therefore, answer is equals to C. Of course, from here, by look at this option also you can see, but there is none of the option. We need to check very carefully. So it is minus 8 and plus 9, and I think it is plus 12. I hope it's not satisfying. I think so. Minus 8 and plus 9. Not satisfying. Let me check answer here. So therefore, I hope that answer could be this one or none of these. Yes, none of these correct, because the answer seems to be that one, because none of these is given to you. So 9 minus 8 is plus 1, you are getting it. So answer is none of this, only the correct, not this one. So you need to be very careful, and evaluation only. You have to evaluate and then you have to re-verify once again. The number of lines that are parallel to this one and having an intercept of length 10 between the coordinate axes. So let me take up the line which is a parallel to 2x plus 6y is nothing but 2x plus. So I can take up this one as x plus 3y plus constant is equal to 0, right? The intercept on axis are given by x divided by minus 1 by k plus y divided by minus k by 3. Am I right? Minus k, I think so. Minus k is equals to 1. So the length of intercept between the axes, this is x-intercept, this is intercept, and therefore length of intercept is nothing but root of k square plus k square by 9, and that must be is equals to 10. By squaring, I think you get a quadratic equation. Therefore, the k values, you'll be getting 2 values of k, you get it. So I hope there will be 2 lines which satisfies whose length is equal to 10. So answer is equals to 2. Yes, correct. Coming to the next one. So the image of the point. And one more important case here I would like to tell you here, because intercept is equal to 10, being this line, definitely it is not the perpendicular to the line either y is equals to x or y is equals to minus x. And its intercept is equals to 10, therefore it is slightly inclined. And therefore, if this length is 10, there will be another line which is like this one. This will also be 10. There will be only 2 lines which satisfies whose length is equals to 10. Okay, so directly we can also, that way also you could guess it. Coming to the next one, the image of the point on the line. The image of the point on the line, I hope we'll be getting it. Y is equals to minus x 3 comma 3. y is equals to minus x, this line, this is a 3 comma 3 means minus 3 would be the answer. So minus 3, the image of this point with respect to this line, y is equals to minus x. So answer is minus 3 and minus 3, the option. Coming to the next one, the condition that these 3 lines are concurrent. Yes, yeah. So condition that the lines are concurrent. When 3 lines are concurrent at a point, then the point of concurrence is given by. Point of concurrence, isn't it actually the common point for all of them? 0, 0 doesn't satisfy. And minus 1 also doesn't give you answer. But 1 comma 1 exactly satisfying all the 3, and you are getting a condition that a plus b plus c 0. It means 1 comma 1 would be the point of concurrence. Yes, because none of these cases is there, and you can check once that one ABC and BCA, CAB, and we know this is nothing but actually when you expand this one, you'll be getting of course 3ABC minus a cube minus b cube minus c cube, which is actually minus of a plus b plus c multiplied by the remaining factor. And of course, this determinant is equal to 0. This equals 0 means a plus b plus c equals 0, one of the condition exactly satisfying the term. So coming to the next one. So answer is C. Clear? Now coming to the next one, distance between the 2 lines. Definitely distance between the 2 lines means must be the parallel lines. Can I write this one as a 3x plus 4y is equals to 15 upon 2? So the difference is nothing but 15 by 2 minus 9. 15 by 2 minus 9 divided by 5. C1 minus C2 by root of a square plus b square. I think 18 means 3 you'll be getting it. Numerator 3 divided by 10. So the answer is equal to 3 by 10. So the answer is 3 by 10. Coming to the next one, the equation of the bisector of the acute angle between the lines. Of course, you will be getting 3x minus 4y minus plus 7 divided by 5 equals to plus or minus. You'll be getting 12x plus 5y minus 2 divided by 13. You will be getting 13 3s are 39x and is equals to yes, of course it is a 60. You are getting it 60 and 39, the difference is equals to, you'll be getting I hope you'll be getting 21. So 21 may be this line or maybe this line. Could be possibility. Let me take up the y coordinate, the difference of this one. So you'll be getting it. I'm assuming it is a positive sign, and then I'm taking it. 13 4s are 52. 52 and 5 2s are 25. Bring it left hand side, minus 25. So you'll be getting minus 70. So minus 77. So therefore the answer would be this one only. So answer is C option. So C option. Sorry, the acute angle. Sorry, I forgot to calculate that one. So acute angle means definitely we need to work out the problem. So definitely one line will be getting it this one. Another line we need to take up the minus sign. If I take up, so 39, okay, and 5 2s are 6, and you will be getting 99 dividing. So therefore you will be getting 199x. Other value 13 4s are minus 42, so minus 52, and 5 5s 25. So plus 25 70 plus 25. So you'll be getting minus will become plus. So 25 you'll be getting 7. So 5 4 2s are 27. So 27. So you'll be getting negative 27. So I hope you'll be getting negative value of 5. Dividing by 9, you'll be getting 11x minus 3y. So this is 11x plus 3y. This is 11x minus 3y. So the answer is equal to D is the right answer. Sorry, I made a mistake. So this is one condition. Acute angle, I did say. So if it is acute angle or obtuse angle, yes, you can just verify it. Which one is that one? But sometimes what happens, to acute angle, you can just apply the concept which you can, if you can remember the formula, it's easy to calculate. and you can take up one of the option wise, so one of the bisector you get it, one of the given lines you take up, then calculate the tangent of angle between the lines, and if you take up the acute angle value will be less than 1, that will be the acute angle bisector, right? Coming to the next, the common point for the set of lines. This is said to be concurrent lines. Rewrite this one, the terms containing containing k and do not containing k value. So let me take up the k value. Common k is nothing but 2x here plus 3y minus 5. And the terms do not contain k. This is nothing but x plus y minus 2. That is equal to 0. This is in the form of L1 plus lambda times L2 is equal to 0. Therefore, this represents a family of lines whose point of intersection is nothing but the solving these two, you get it answered. So, x plus y minus 2. Definitely 1 minus 1 not satisfying. Minus 1 minus 1 not satisfying. This is a satisfying it. So, better we'll check once 1 comma 1 yes satisfying. This also satisfying it. 1 comma 1 would be the answer for the problem. So, answer is A. Let's come to the next one. The three lines AX, this one are concurrent. Just now we had seen that one, the condition that the three lines to be concurrent is nothing but the determinant ABC and BCA and CAB, and that must be is equals to 0. So therefore definitely AQ plus BQ plus C cube is equals to 3ABC would be the answer for the problem. Concurrent only. Three lines are concurrent only, but this condition is nothing but actually 3ABC, minus A cube minus B cube minus C cube. So of course this when you factorize, minus of A plus B plus C multiplied by A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA is equal to 0. Of course this condition is satisfied and this cannot be satisfied. This condition is satisfying and this one will be the answer for the problem. So the answer is D. Coming to the next one, the straight line, a line L and the line, so a straight line and the two lines are concurrent and L passes through origin. L is passing through origin. The line L and these two lines are concurrent. We do not know what is the line, and therefore I assume the line as AX plus BY plus C equals 0 or any other line which is since these three are concurrent, the point of intersection of these two would lies on this line, am I right? And also passing through origin means C definitely be 0, and therefore only the 2 points are there. So I can assume that this line equation is nothing but AX plus BY is equal to 0. So AX plus BY is equal to 0. Therefore, we'll be getting RX, A, B, 0. And this is 1, 2, minus 1. And this is 2, 1, minus 1. Yes, of course, expanding this is equal to 0 gives you the condition here. A multiplied by, I'll be getting minus 2 plus 1, minus 1, and minus B multiplied by, it is minus 1. So minus 1 minus of minus plus 2 is equal to 0. So minus A minus B, minus A plus minus B is equal to 0. Is it right? So minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 minus 1. Minus B multiplied by minus 1 plus 2. Yes, of course, you'll be getting B is equal to 0. A plus B is equal to 0. A is equals to B. So therefore, A is equals to minus B. Substitute it. AX and B is equals to minus A is equal to 0. So therefore, X is equals to Y will be the answer for the problem. So therefore, answer is equals to X is equals to Y. Coming to the next one, the ends of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle are ends of a hypotenuse of a right angled triangle. This is 90 degrees. So 0, 6 and 6, 0. So 0, 6, 6, 0. Therefore, the locus of the other end point. So obviously, don't you see that these are the 2 points on the coordinate axis? So therefore, this is 6, 0, 0, 6. Right angle means definitely the other one. So I need to find out what about the locus of the third vertex. This is one right angle triangle. This will be the origin. Other one will be X, Y. Definitely, isn't it a circle? You'll be getting it actually passing through the points with these two as the end points of a diameter. Yeah, of course, you'll be getting the answer here as x minus 0 multiplied by x minus 6. Okay, plus y minus 0 multiplied by y minus 6 equals 0. I'm calculating the equation of the circle, which is with these two as end points of a diameter. So that it is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y is equal to 0 is the first one. So therefore, the answer is equals to x square plus y square minus 6x minus 6y is equals to 0. Coming to a straight rod of length 6 units slides with its ends a comma b on the coordinate axis, then the locus of the centroid of the triangle. Yes, this one. So a and b are sliding on the coordinate axis. So that let me take up this one as h comma 0, 0 comma k. So that the centroid of the triangle OAB is nothing but h by 3 comma k by 3, whose locus need to calculate. You take it as x comma y. So therefore h comma k. So that h is equals to 3x and y is equals to 3y. And therefore, and AB length is equals to 9, and therefore root h square plus y square. H square plus k square is equals to 9 square 81. So therefore, 9x square plus 9y square is equals to 81. That means x square plus y square is equals to 9 would be the required answer. So the answer is equals to x square plus y square is equals to 9. Okay, x square plus y square equals 9. Coming to the next one. The equation of a straight line making an intercept 3 on y-axis and inclined at an angle 45 degrees to the x-axis. Yes, of course, this is making intercept of length 3 and makes an angle 45 degrees with x-axis. Definitely, this is a straight line which is passing through 0, 3. Of course, y is equals to m is equals to 1 x mx y plus 3 y is equals to x plus 3 would be the answer for the problem. Y is equals to mx plus c. Yes, I hope the enough problems we have done it in the case of a straight line. I'd like to conclude today's video and make it practice for your sums. Okay.